Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up ASUS ZenWiFi AX Hybrid Powerline Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. The ASUS ZenWiFi AX Hybrid XP4 is a Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that combines wireless networking with Powerline technology to provide fast and stable internet across your home. We will show you in simple and short steps how to set up PixLink LVUE02 USB wireless extender in just few minutes. So let's start the setup process. Before starting, make sure you have everything needed. Inside the ASUS ZenWiFi AX Hybrid XP4 box, you'll find 2 or more ZenWiFi AX Hybrid units, power adapters, and Ethernet cables for wired connections. The package also includes a quick start guide to help with easy setup. Start by plug the ZenWiFi router into a power outlet and turn it on. Wait until the LED light turns solid white, indicating it's ready for setup. Now download and install the ASUS Router app. The app available on Android, Google Play Store, and iOS, Apple App Store. Connect your phone to the default Wi-Fi network. Look for a Wi-Fi name starting with ASUS_ and connect. No password is needed at this stage. In the ASUS Router app, tap Set up a new router. Now select ZenWiFi series from the list of devices. The app will automatically detect your ASUS ZenWiFi XP4 router. Tap Start Setup to begin. Choose your internet connection type. If your ISP uses automatic settings, select DHCP, most common. If your ISP requires a PPPoE username and password, enter them here. If you have a static IP, enter the details provided by your ISP. Tap Next to continue. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password for your network. Enable Smart Connect, recommended, to merge 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands into a single Wi-Fi name. Tap Next to save your settings. Set up a router admin username and password. This is different from your Wi-Fi password. This login is used to manage your network settings. Tap Next to finalize the setup. That's how you can easily set up your ASUS ZenWiFi AX Hybrid Powerline Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.